Yes, yes. So we are coming to the point, uniform distribution or a rectangular distribution. It is one of the simplest one in continuous distribution, and it is density function, that is flat, and probability is uniform in a closed interval AB. So flat, the word flat I have used, that represents it is uniform. Now I will show what is the probability density function. Sir has taught you probability density function is therefore continuous random variable. Probability mass function is therefore discrete random variable. What I am teaching is a continuous distribution, so it is having probability density function. The density function of the continuous uniform random variable x on the interval, closed interval AB, is f of x is equal to 1 by b minus a. Interval you check. Actually, whatever earlier we have seen, it is different and this one is different. You see, the interval is a less than or equal to x less than or equal to b. That shows that it is a continuous random variable. And interval they have given a constant, that means a to b, no infinity they have not used, that is what I told them. So it is a uniform distribution, the interval is a to b, and probability density function is upper limit minus lower limit, upper limit minus lower limit. The remaining all other case, that means below a, above b, it is equal to 0. And its graph I am showing, that is, you see, the density function for the here interval is given from 1 to 3, upper limit is 3 and lower limit is 1. So according to the probability density function, we are getting it as 1 by b minus a. 1 by b minus a means 1 by 3 minus 1, we are getting it is equal to 1 by 2. So according to 0, 1 by 2, we are drawing the curve. So we are getting a rectangular shape you are getting. So that is why it is known as what it is. It is a rectangular distribution or a uniform distribution. It is uniform. Probability density is uniform everywhere. That is why we are getting a rectangular shape we are getting. Next, whatever example I have told, it is already I told you. Again, I no need of reading it. The metro train I have told you. And when the problem comes, I will tell you to note down. One point you can note down, that probability density function you can note down as probability density function 1 by b minus a. Since that we will be writing the quiz also, so it will help you if you are remembering the probability density function. Okay, all right. Now, whatever I told, the cards also coming under that. Cards problem also sir has taught you. One class I will tell always about sir, since it is continuation of whatever sir has taught. That is why I have to tell it to you. So the deck means we are having how many cards are there? How many cards are there we are having? So each card, whatever may be, each card we pick, we will be getting the same probability. We will be getting 13 into 4 we are getting. 52 cards are there. So the probability to pick one card is 1 by 52. That is what. That is also a uniform distribution. Now we are coming into application. The application of this distribution is based on the assumption that the probability falling in an interval of fixed length with closed interval AB is constant. Why this application I have written means, when you take a problem, sometimes they will not specify what you are doing, what mentioned, whether it is a normal distribution which I am going to teach, or what is the distribution which you have learned earlier, geometric distribution or Poisson distribution or binomial distribution, but you should be able to understand if it is fixed length and constant probability is there, means you can say that it is a rectangular distribution. The rectangular distribution. Yes, alright, good. I am learning slowly. Yes, I could see your chat now. Now I am coming to the next slide. Yes. Now we are coming to the point, the mean and variance of a uniform distribution. Now let me tell about mean. Mean is if it is a continuous random variable. Can you write what is the definition sir has taught for the continuous random variable mean? What is mean? Whether we will use sigma or integral sign we will use.
Green man.
What we will use for the integration. Yes, Rishida. Yes. Integration will be coming. So we can integral minus infinity to plus infinity x f of x dx. I am going to show it in the next slide, but let me tell. Integral minus infinity to plus infinity x f of x dx. What is f of x? The probability density function. So using that we have to find out. We will get not only problems, we will get the theory questions also. Nowadays the question paper has changed. When the examination will be, we will not be knowing, but we should be prepared for that. Already one exam you escaped, so next exam we are expecting, so you should learn it. So let me show the proof of that mean of the rectangular distribution. Mean is also defined as expectation of x. So integral minus infinity to plus infinity x f of x dx. X already I have written. F of x for the uniform distribution is 1 by b minus a. Our interval for the rectangular distribution is from a to b only. We have seen that the probability density function below a and above b it is 0. So we have taken a to b. You can take your pen and book. I have already written, I have learned. I will not write. Yes. So any doubt means only I will write. Already I have prepared slides. So as any doubt means I will write. You write. Very good. Very good. Yes. So any mistake is there in my slide, you can tell that is what. Then I will correct it, and where you are having doubt, there I will correct it. So 1 by b minus a dx. 1 by b minus a is a constant. So we will take it outside. I have taken it outside. Integral a to b x dx. Now we are integrating x. X power n is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So we are writing it as x square by 2. Lower limit a and upper limit b. So I got 2 outside. I have written b minus a is there. Applying the upper limit b square minus a square I wrote. As we have learned it in which class? In 5th or 6th class we have learned b square minus a square is equal to b minus a into b plus a divided by b minus a. We are cancelling b minus a and b minus a. So we are getting b plus a by 2. That is the mean of the rectangular distribution or uniform distribution. That is very easy. Already you have done so many problems based on expectation. So this is only a continuation of that. You should remember mu is equal to b plus a by 2. Mu is equal to b plus a by 2. Yes. Can I go for variance? Have you done? Should I wait? Should I wait or not? Anyone can write in chat box, then only I will be able to move for the next one, variance. Okay, continue. Okay, all right, okay. You cannot see chat box? Can you see chat box? One day you should adjust. I told you, is it? I should become familiar with that, and also that is what. Okay, we'll see. Okay. What is the problem for that? I don't know. Can you see the slide? Then all right. Okay, one of you will send message to me. I can see that, and now you can see chat box. Okay, all right. Whatever may be. Okay. Now we will go for variance. Once again, I will study more about this. Yes, once I get the practice only, I can study. Is it? All of a sudden, it will not be possible. All right. Okay. Now we will go for variance. Next, we will go for variance. Variance, we are knowing that the definition. That means for the problems we will be using expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. Expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. That is, already we have seen expectation of x or mean means a plus b by 2 whole square. That I have written. When expectation of x square comes, how we have defined expectation of x as x f of x. Here, in place of x, we will use x square. So, integral a to b x square f of x dx. In that, integral a to b x square 1 by b minus a dx minus a plus b whole square by 2. You should write, then only you can understand, otherwise it is not possible. I have taken the constant outside 1 by b minus a, integral a to b x square dx minus a plus b by 2 whole square, like that itself I have written. Next, 1 by b minus a, we are integrating x square. Integral of x square is x cube by 3. Lower limit a, upper limit b, a plus b whole square, a plus b by 2 power 2. I think you could understand it. Yes. Any doubts? No doubts. If I should wait means you should tell me. I will wait for you. Otherwise, I will continue. Okay, you can note down. Yes. Then I am changing the slide. Okay, once more is telling, Rahul is telling once more. Some are telling don't wait, but 1 minute. Okay, Rahul, I will tell. Variance of x, sir has taught you expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. Yes, are you remembering? And that x square comes, we will be writing How we have written expectation of x? Expectation of x means x into f of x dx. Here x square comes, we will write integral a to b x square f of x dx. Already mean of the rectangular distribution we have already found out in the previous slide, a plus b by 2. That only I have written here. Now I am writing in place of f of x 1 by b minus a, that is our probability density function. I have written it. Am I correct? This line is correct. Is it clear? Yes. Next, I am taking the constant outside. I am integrating x square. That everybody knows. That are also very silly problems. Yes. X cube by 3. And I am applying the limit. I think it is clear, Rahul. Yes. I will go for the next slide. Okay, Rahul. Okay. Next we will see. Next one. So I have taken 1 by b minus a outside and I have applied the upper and lower limit. I have applied b minus a whole cube by 3. Now what we Bharadwaj, we have to write these questions when it comes in the examination. We have to write it is, they will ask theory questions also, not only problems. So you have to study, that is your choice. Yes. Okay. So we are writing b minus a whole cube by 3. Okay. Your short answer, that means that question I don't know. LOL what it is. Okay. b minus a whole cube. What we have learned it in small class, the factorization which we have learned, we will be writing b minus a into b square plus ab plus a square by 3. b minus a whole cube we have factorized and we have written it. Am I correct? Yes. So we have written a plus b by 2 whole square we have written. Then we can take out the common factor from b minus a. b minus a we have removed. b square plus ab plus a square by 3 and we have expanded it. Yes, still there, no problem. Yes, you are continuing. Next we will take the LCM. We are multiplying here with 4, here with 3. LCM is 12.
Okay.
Next step I have skipped. I may be lazy. You can find out. Yes, you can expand it and find out what all terms are. You can cancel it. Am I correct or not? You tell. Then we can proceed. You expand it. 4b square is there. Here 3b square is there. Then 4ab is there. Here minus 6ab is there. Here 4a square is there. Here minus 3a square is there. So we got that a square minus 2ab plus b square by 12 we got. That we can write a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square by 12. Because of that square sign, I can rewrite it as b minus a whole square by 12.
Okay.
Yes, that is what I told you. Mu is equal to b plus a by 2 and here it is b minus a whole square by 12. So this is the variance of the rectangular or uniform distribution, and we have seen mean also. Mean, variance and probability density function of the rectangular distribution we have seen. Probability density function is 1 by b minus a and mean we have seen that it as 1 by b plus a by 1 by b plus a. We say, am I correct or not? Am I correct? A plus b by 2 it is there, is it? So it is not correct. A plus b by 2 is the
Okay.
So no one is writing whether it is correct or not. What is the mean of the mean of the rectangular distribution? Rectangular distribution, here it is written a plus b by 2. Yes. Can I proceed? Can I go for the problem? Is it clear? Hmm. Yes. Okay.
దేంట్లో ఈ ప్రొఫెషనల్ బాడీ లేకపోతే
Then we will go for the problem. Next slide.
అవునవును.
Can you see the problem?
దాన్ని చూసి కదా మేడం నేను చేసిన.
Suppose that a large conference room at a certain company can be reserved for no more than 4 hours, not more than 4 hours. Both long and short conference occur quite often. What is the probability density function? What is the probability that any given conference lasts at least 3 hours? Have you read?
సబ్ వాల్టర్ పెట్టుకోవాలి. అవును, సబ్ వాల్టర్ పెట్టుకోవాలి. ఓకే. అదేలేండి. FDP 1, FDP 2.
Some cross speak is coming.
Excuse me, madam.
That is not from my side.
Supporting faculty, please mute yourself. Supporting faculty, please mute yourself.
సరే, మళ్ళీ సరే.
Yes, thank you, sir. Okay. So, the problem you read it. How many of you can try yourself first itself? Suppose that a large conference room at a certain company can be reserved for not more than 4 hours. Both long and short conference occur quite often. What is the probability density function? How to find out whether it is, no, I can give you the answer immediately, but it is not like that. You should read the question first, that is why. So, it is whether it is binomial distribution, Poisson distribution, or geometric distribution, or a rectangular distribution. Since I am teaching a rectangular distribution, you know that definitely the question is from rectangular distribution. How we will identify rectangular distribution or a uniform distribution? It is reserved for not more than 4 hours. Not more than 4 hours. Both long and short conference occur quite often. What is the probability density function? Krishna Aditya, very good. Yes. Dinesh, very good. Then once you got that, means it is very easy to answer it. Yes. Very good. Yes, that is what. Once I gave the clue, you could understand that. So next problem onwards, you will be able to answer it without any difficulty. What is the probability density function? You got it. Next, what is the probability that any given conference lasts at least 3 hours? Lasts at least 3 hours. That also, who is going to find out? Let me see. Any answer? One answer has come. Is it 1 he is asking? Yes, Meghna. Is it 1? How you got it? Give the clue to me. Can you give the clue to me? Actually, I am not getting it. One more answer has come. Ravant. So different answers. That is the problem. Yes, when the different answer comes, even I also will get confused. At least 3. Yes, Meghna is giving 3. So, from 3 to 4, it can be anywhere. What about you? The remaining, how many students are there? We are having around 500 students or for 40 students. Anyone is agreeing with Meghna? Yes? Oh, even, and definitely. Okay. No, what you have given the answer, whether others are supporting or not, I am asking only, Meghna, nothing else than that. Integration 3 to 4, 1 by 4 dx. Yes, we will come to the point. Definitely, yes, I am not way. Since today we are having very less time only, that is what. You'll see. Here, we will see that probability density function is actually, they have told in the problem that how much it is, they are telling that, sorry, I came to little ahead, but more than 4 hours, not more than 4 hours they have told. So the time starts from 0, that is what the initial count will be 0 only, that is why the interval is from 0 to 4, interval from 0 to 4. We know that probability density function is 1 by v minus a. So 4 minus 0 we got, that is the probability density function we got. And the problem which they are asking is, what is the probability that any given conference lasts at least 3 hours? At least, and all sir has taught you. Your sir is also along with me. I am thinking, yes, sir. So 3, at least 3. Minimum is 3. It can be more than that. How much it can go? Only we are having up to 4 hours only. It is there, is it? So we will be doing, as Meghna has told, 3 to 4, 1 by 4 dx. 1 by 4 we are integrating dx. So x we are getting 3 to 4. So we are getting 4 minus 3, which is equal to 1. 1 we are getting. So this is giving the answer as 1 by 4. The concept is very clear only, Meghna. Yes. So 1 by 4 we are integrating dx. So x within the limit 4 to, but it is not a continuous, it is not a discrete distribution, it is a continuous distribution, Sravant, it is not a, no problem. It is a continuous distribution, that is why interval I am showing, continuous distribution, not a discrete distribution. When the discrete distribution comes, we will be going for sigma and adding. If this is not possible here. Here we have to take 3 to 4, all values in between 3 and 4 we should get. Yes, no problem. Also, first time we will get so many mistakes slowly only, otherwise why should we learn is it? That is the, we should. Anything new means we will have doubt about that. We will go for the next problem, and we are having only up to 5:20. So one more problem I will give you, so you will be able to do it. Yeah, I did not ask you, can I go for it? Yes. Yes. With your permission, I am going to next one. Yes. 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 Okay. A random variable x has a uniform distribution. Now you do. Now more number of students should do. Our chat box will not be enough for us to get the answers. Yes. Do more number of people. A random variable x has a uniform distribution over. This here problem is very clear. That is why I did not give this problem first itself. A random variable x has a uniform distribution over -3 to +3. Find k. So many applications which you learned it in the last 2 units. Find k, for which probability of x greater than k equal to 1 by 3. Also evaluate probability of x less than 2 and probability of mod x minus 2 less than 2. Who is giving the answer first? Let me see. Rohan, 1 by 6, that is value of k. Two different Rohans are there. Why Rohan? No. Answer is not correct. F of x. Okay. F of x you are telling. Probability. Okay. No, first we have to find out the probability density function. That is okay. All right. Correct. Now you go for K. I will wait. All of you are having pen and pencil or pen and book. Only one answer I got. These 500 students are sitting, no one is answering. K value. What is the square root of 30? K is 3 different answers. K is 2, K is minus 1, K is 1. All are waiting for the snacks, I think. That is why different answers. Oh, now common answer is coming. 1 and 1. Now it is stabilized. Yes. Then I can go to the slide. Yes. Only one answer. I need 3 probability density function. I need K and I need probability of x less than 2 and also probability of mod x minus 2 less than 2 I need. In effect, I need 4 answers. This has come. Answers are not by heart for me. And now 1 by 6 our CSEC reaches or someone else. I don't know about all of you. That is why I am specifying CSEC and all. Don't feel bad. Yes. So many are sitting idle. No, it will not work. You should do. Or not? Yes. My answers are tallying with your answer. Yes. Probability density function is f of x is equal to 1 by b minus a. As you all have written, even though I am little slow, you did it fast. 1 by 3 minus 3, it is 1 by 6 as correct. Probability of x greater than k, which can be written as 1 minus probability of x less than or equal to k. Otherwise, what is the upper limit will be coming? What is the upper limit will be coming? What is the value of the upper limit? From where to where? What is A? What is B? I am plus 3 we have written. So it is upper limit is 3 only. That way also you can calculate. But so many things you have learned in second unit and first unit. That is why I am utilizing all that. 1 minus probability of x less than or equal to 3 I have taken. 1 minus 3 to k f of x dx. F of x dx. I could move little bit. Oh, very good. So 1 minus f of x is already 1 by 6 minus 3 to k dx. We have integrated and I applied the limit. I no need of telling to you all that, you know. So we got it, which is equal to 1 by, it's equal to 1 by 3. So problem is like that only. Probability of x greater than k is 1 by 3. That is why I have written it as equal to 1 by 3. So we are getting k equal to 1. K equal to 1 we got. And you told some more answers also. So I can go for the next slide. Yes. My answer again, tallying. What about last answer I did not get? I am getting a chance to tell you something. Very good. As probability of x less than 2, as you told, minus 3 to 2, f of x dx. 1 by 6 is the probability density function, minus 3 to 2 dx, integrating x and applying the limit, we are getting it is equal to 5 by 6. I did not get answer 4 by 6. I am seeing it in my slide. I did not get any answer like that. Am I correct? My slide you are seeing? Boys and girls. Yes, the answer is correct or not? Which you have learned the modulus sign. That is a different type problem which I put. I know that immediate answer will come from you. Probability of mod of x minus 2 less than 2. Mod x. Negative value and positive value we will be taking. So we are getting 2 minus 2. This 2 is going here. This 2, that with positive value it is going the right side. 2 minus 2 less than x less than 2 plus 2. Mod sign we have removed. So we are getting 0 less than x less than 4 we are getting. So 1 by 6 within the limit 0 to 4 dx. So we are getting 4 by 6. No one is typing. Whether yes or no you can type, is it? Yes, okay. Adele, it is there. Okay. So all are right. Some common factors I am seeing. Ma'am, the function is from 3 to 3. So why we are taking the upper limit 4 instead of 3? They did not ask you to say that is what integral. The limit 0 to 3 I could have taken. Oh, that is a question. So I did not go for the problem. Question only I answered. Your question is exactly correct. What is Akhil? Yes, you are correct. Yes, I did not go for it. Yes, you are correct. And also one more thing, I made a mistake. You see, you are correct only. You see 0 less than x less than 4. 4. Huh? You are thinking like that? It is continuous distribution. That is the reason whether it is an open interval or a closed interval, we will be taking 4. According to the problem, I have written the answer. The interval, what your problem again I will take. Yes. And where is the problem? Only minus 3 to plus 3. What you have told is correct only. Yes, 0 to 3 I should have taken. Here, interval problem which they have asked only probability. According to that I have written. Your answer is correct only, Akhil. Why instead of 3, why I have gone for 4? I should not go for 4. And I don't think about 0 less than x less than 4. It is closed interval or open interval. Integration will be coming like that only. Yes, that is why it is applicable. Yes. Sriram, yes. So, interval is 0 minus 3 to 3 only has come. Only for the answer purpose, a modulus of probability of modulus of x minus 2 less than 2 part only I have written from where to where the integration. And according to the problem, minus 3 to plus 3, you can go definitely, you can go for 0 to 3. Yes, you can take 1 by 6, 0 to 3. 0 to 3 you can, since why it is from after 3 it is coming 0. That is the problem. Correct. You are correct. I am 100% I am telling Akhil. Yes. Thank you. Yes, we will go for a quiz. Actually, so many problems are there, but it is not a problem at all. I can give it as homework for you. You won't like extra time, I know that. That is the reason we will go for a quiz. This I can stop. I need again time. First day, I have to stop this and I have to start quiz. Nothing more. It is just like these questions only. It is there. Okay, all right. Can I proceed? All of you. Yes. It is 15. That is okay. 550. I should stop this. So what is the probability density function of the rectangular distribution? 1 by b minus a. And what is the mean of the rectangular distribution? Any one of you can write? A plus b by 2. Adult, you are right? No problem. Okay. A plus b by 2. What is the variance? What is the variance? B minus a whole square by 12. Yes. Then you can write standard deviation. Can you write standard deviation? Standard deviation is the positive square root of variance. positive square root of variance. And also we have seen how to find out K, and also some probability which is less or greater, that is what. So one correction I have to do here according to what was your name? I forgot. Who noticed that 0 to 3? Okay, all right, you are not right. Okay, I am stopping.